Goat raising and production is usually done by small farmers or backyard raisers. Ordinary farmer can raise an average of 1 or 2 head goats. Goat is popularly known as the poor man's cow because children and old folks who cannot afford cow's milk prefer drinking goat's milk. Aside from being cheap, goat milk is more digestible compared to cow's milk. Goat is a clean animal. Its male odor is only present during the breeding season. Female goat does not smell. Contrary to myth, goat does not eat trash. They do, however, lick the labels of tin cans to taste the glue on the label's back. Goat raising depends on what purpose to produce, either for meat, fattening, milking, or breeding. It has a lot of factors to consider before a farmer can successfully raise goats. It was found out that the goats are multi-purpose ruminants, producing 58.4% of milk, 35.6% meat, 4.3% hide, and 1.7% fiber. According to them, this can provide the answer to improve nutritional requirements of the predominantly rural farm families scattered all over the archipelago. Breeds to raise. There are many breeds of goats worldwide, but the available breeds in the Philippines are as follows. Anglo-Nubians. Its distinguishing features include drooping and pendulous ears, and a brown hair or a combination of brown and black. It has a long body that usually weighs 70 to 90 kilograms at mature age and produces 1 up to 21 liters of milk daily. Boer, a meat-type breed with distinct white body color and usually black or reddish-brown from rear legs to the head. The goat weighs an average of 90 kilograms at mature age. Saanen, originated from Switzerland, is a pure white to off-white in color. It holds a distinct as the highest milk producer at 1.8 liters a day. It weighs an average of 70 kilograms. Toggenburg, also from Switzerland, have distinct white markings on the face, legs and tail, and an erect ears like Saanen. Milk production averages to 1.5 liters a day. Alpine, also of European breed, has a color that ranges off-white to red to black. An alert breed of medium to large size. It weighs 70 kilograms at mature age. It possesses an upright ears and a straight face. The breed produces 1.5 liters of milk daily. Native. The breed are small, stocky, and low-set. Colors range from red, white, or black, or a combination of these colors. Milk production is just enough for its kids. It weighs 20 to 30 kilograms at mature age. Selection criteria. To those should be purchased from a locality or area with similar climatic conditions. Native or graded does should not be less than 25 kilograms. Other should be palpitated for size, detection of lumps, and other abnormalities. Teeth should be uniform at length and large enough for easy milking. It must have a good appetite, processing alert eyes, and well-formed pupils. Do not buy breeders from markets. To bucks, 1-year-old breeder or buck that have successfully mated once is desirable. Acquired buck should be accompanied by pedigree records. It must have a good producing line based from farm records. Buck must come from doe with high twinning rate. Buck must be active and ready to breed in heat doe. Replace buck preferably every 3 years. Management. Housing. A goat house or shed must be built to provide shelter. Goats are afraid of rain and wetness as these make them prone to pneumonia. They also prefer sleeping in elevated platforms like a stair-type arrangement. It must be well ventilated, drained, and easy to clean. Feed racks for silage, water, mineral, and concentrate should be accessible to both animals and caretaker. Flooring should be provided and elevated at least 15 degrees to facilitate cleaning and drainage. A separate pen should be provided for lactating and dry does, kids, growers, and bucks. The buck pen should be visible to breeding does, yet far enough to avoid transfer of the typical goat smell, especially to lactating does when milk is to be sold. A footbath should be recognized before entering the farm or goat's house to prevent contamination of bacteria or virus from the human. Care of dry and pregnant doe. If the doe is being milked dry, stop milking at least 1 to 2 months before kidding date. This will give her reserve for the next lactation. Put all dry does in one compartment. 1 week before kidding, place her in a separate kidding pen. Care of weanling and growing kids. Place all weaned kids in a separate pen.